So in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you how to start an online business for free with no money. So before you start an online business, you need to have the correct mindset that your business is different with your 9-to-5 job. Your 9-to-5 job that you go to your work every single day and you get paid for every single day. But when you building your business is different. You are building a system for your business and this system will generate you money. But when you're building your system, you don't get paid for anything. So you have to wait until your system is ready and start making you money. So this is really different with your 9-to-5 job. So no matter what you do for your business, you need people coming to your store, right? And these people that online we call traffic. And traffic, there is two different ways that online. There is free traffic method and there is paid traffic method. So we're gonna start with the free traffic method. I'm gonna tell you how you can do the free traffic method correctly, so you can also do the paid traffic method for 100% for free. So just keep watching this video. So the free traffic method that I always recommend beginner, you're gonna start with the free traffic method. And free traffic method is not 100% for free. Yes, you heard me right. Free traffic method that you're gonna start paying for your time. You need to spend your time. In this online world, you need to remember, you either pay your time or you either pay your money. So this is only two ways that you need to spend. So you're gonna pay your time for your free traffic method. So if you know how to writing a code, you can start build a system like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos. You can start a company with a system and selling your service or selling your product. Or next you can do is you can create a blog, you can create a website, writing articles, writing reviews, and drive traffic to this website and selling any product. You can rank your website on Google and Google will start sending a lot of traffic to your website. And third way that you can also, like me, starting a YouTube channel talking about things that you like, things that you love, and sharing with people that you can start be unique. Remember, on YouTube channel, the really number one tip is you need to be unique. And how to be unique is being yourself, because no one is you. So only you can be yourself. So when you do yourself, you are unique. And when you're unique, you can easy to stand up. So starting your YouTube channel and start making money too. Then the last way that I would recommend is starting an Instagram page or social media page. You can start TikTok page, you can start Instagram page, you can start Pinterest, you can start any kind of social media page. But of course, I recommend to start Instagram page because I have more experience with this, and this channel, I teach you a lot of things to how to grow your Instagram page. You can check out on this channel, I talk a lot of these methods. So start building your business. You can start the method that I just showed you. Start building your empire, start building your business. Once your business start making money for you, then you're gonna use that money to buying advertise, so you don't lose any money. Always remember, when you are ready to jump into paid advertising, you're gonna use the money that you made from your free traffic method, so you don't take any money out from your pocket, so you don't end up losing money. Because if you end up losing money, you are easy to quit. So always remember, take the money that you made from your business, that you made from your free traffic method, then use that money into paid traffic so you can start even make more money. So paid advertising is go up to Google, Facebook ad, this ad platform, and you're gonna start buying visitor into your business. Remember this, you're always buying visitor to the business that is already making you money. This is how you scale your business. Buying traffic is not for you to gambling. Creating a store, finding a winning product and buy advertising and hoping people buy product from your page, this seems to me it's gambling, and you don't want gambling, because when you are gambling, you are easy to lose money, and when you lose money, you are easy to quit, and when you quit, you will complain to everyone says online business it's a scam, but it's not a scam, it's you are gambling. So the real correct way to do paid advertising is buying traffic, buying visitor to your business, to the business that is already making you money. So this is why I recommend that you're gonna start free traffic first, and once you make the money, then you're gonna use that money that you made from free traffic method and to do paid advertising. So you are scaling your business. You are pushing your business to the next level. So it's like a snowball effect. So your business can keep growing and can become more large, and you can even make more money. So now you understand the real way with free traffic method and paid traffic method, then you know how to use them. And the question is, I want to know which stage that you are right now. Are you still building your business online with free traffic method, or you already have a business that is making money for you and you are using paid traffic method? I really love to see, and you can comment down the comment section. And if you want to know more detail about how to build your Instagram page, if you are still busy to building your free traffic method, you can check out my channel. Everything I talk on this channel is from my experience, and I show you everything 100% for free on this channel. So if you like today's video, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my future video like today. So thanks for watching. I'm Johnson Len, and be motivated yourself and never give up.